Welcome back to Product Critique, where we unravel the best products in the market. Today, we're diving into the realm of Halloween nail art with the JMEOWIO 12 Sheets Nail Art Stickers. If you're looking to spookify your nails this season, you're in for a treat. These nail art stickers from JMEOWIO are the epitome of Halloween chic. With 12 sheets of self-adhesive decals featuring adorable ghosts, pumpkins, and more, your nails are about to get a serious upgrade. Let's talk about versatility. Whether you're into cute ghosts, playful pumpkins, or elegant pink designs, this set has it all. Each sticker is bursting with detail and personality, ensuring your nails stand out from the crowd. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: application. These stickers are a breeze to apply. Simply peel, stick, and admire your fabulous nails. Whether you're a nail art pro or a beginner, you'll appreciate how easy it is to achieve stunning results. Worried about durability? Fear not. These stickers boast impressive staying power. Once applied, they'll withstand daily activities without losing their charm. Plus, they're perfect for natural or acrylic nails, so everyone can join in on the fun. Let's talk bang for your buck. At just $6.29 for 12 sheets, this set is an absolute steal. With enough stickers to last you through multiple Halloween seasons, you'll be reaching for these time and time again. In conclusion, the JMEOWIO 12 Sheets Nail Art Stickers are a must-have for any Halloween enthusiast. With their adorable designs, easy application, and unbeatable value, they're truly the best nail art stickers for the spooky season. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous.